The Leatherman Surge. It's like a Leatherman wave that maybe got bullied at school and grew up angst and angry and got buff. Want to know more? Stay tuned. Hi folks, Jeff Living here. And tonight we're talking about the Leatherman Surge. And this is a beast of a machine. It really is. So, is it worth getting? Well, I'll let you decide. So first we're going to talk about the sheath that came with my one. It's basically mostly a leather sheath, as you can see here. You can belt carry it either horizontally or vertically. It's got these elastic expanders here. It also has pockets. And actually you can carry attachments on the side. Snap front closure. And a pocket on the inside. Hang on. A pocket on the inside. Where you can store things like your saw or your fire. So yeah, it's a nice sturdy sheath. It's not my particular cup of tea, and I went ahead and purchased this sheath here, which does the same exact thing. It's just all nylon. But either way. So yeah, the Leatherman Surge. This is basically what I call the Leatherman's answer to the Desert Eagle. It's big and it's heavy and it's impressive, but a little bit much for most people to actually carry every day. That's just my opinion. You can be the judge of that. So let's have a quick look at this here. It weighs damn near a pound, and it is basically a Leatherman wave on steroids. Now it has a really impressive tool set. Let's have a look first at the outside tools. And like it was, it has 4 of those. So what we got here is the serrated blade. And this is a fair bit larger than the blade that you get on the Leatherman blade. Also on the outside, you have the exchange tool kind of thing. And in here at the moment, I have got the saw, but it also, in this little pouch here, comes with a file. And that's a 3-sided file, which is pretty much the same that you get on the wave. But you can change this out, where on the wave you can't. And so that's pretty cool right there. Over on the other side, we have a normal blade here, straight edge blade. And again, this is much bigger then you would get Untitled the Leatherman wave. Here's some comparison there. And basically everything on here locks, just like a wave. And so, yeah, it is basically a large Leatherman wave. Also on the outside, we have this very large pair of scissors. And they lock up as well. All the outside tools are on liner locks, as you can see. And these things are damn near huge. They're huge. And they work quite well. Okay, opening up, we have got some big ass pliers. And again, I'm going to use the wave as a comparison. And you can see the difference there. Built like a tank. Now, of course, you've got your replaceable wire cutters here. You have your hard and soft wire cutters. And then your normal pliers here. But wow, these things are beefy. Real construction site material here. Okay, let's have a look at some of the inside tools here. So here we've got an awl, a nice good sized one. We have a large screwdriver here. Which also can double as a small pry bar. And of course, all of these tools actually lock as well. I should have pointed that out. Just like the wave, they are locking the position. Here, we have a slightly smaller flathead screwdriver. Okay, moving over to the other side here. Basically, the same tool set as the wave. We've got a bit driver here, which takes out all of the Leatherman bits, and there's quite a few of those that you can get in the bit kit, which I've showed in previous videos. And then your can opener slash bottle opener slash wire stripper, which you got right there. Also on the end here, you got that little spot there, which is exactly the same as the wave. You can use one of these pocket clips here, although with the weight of this thing, I wouldn't know why you want to, and a belt, a lanyard hole that you can put in there as well. We do have, if you go to, where is it? If you go to the exchanger tool here and open that up, you will find that you can actually get to a built-in language group. And I'll show you that in a second. You actually need something to actually get that out. I use my website to do it. There you go. It took a little bit to get that out, but there's your built-in language hole. Okay, so what are the advantages of getting the surge over the wave? Well, obviously, the surge is going to be able to do some slightly more heavy-duty work. But by and large, they're the same tool. Just one is larger than the other. And then, of course, you got the outside scissors here. So, is it worth your time? Is it worth your money to actually pick up something like this? Or would you be happy just with the Leatherman wave? That's for you to decide. I'm happy that I've got this, but the people that actually will EDC this every day are few and far between, I think. There's Jack from Black Scott Survival. He does it every day in the boat parks. That's his jam. Me, I like it. This is strictly back carry, just for me. This is something that I would put in my pocket and be quite happy with that. But I do love it. Big, heavy, overbuilt, and fucking cool. Alright, folks. That's going to do it for this particular talk on the Leatherman Surge. Until next time, this is Jeff Slim saying, stay heavy duty, baby. Talk to you again soon, and bye.